So let us look at permutations and combinations today. In permutations and combinations we already discussed, but there are a lot of new people and those who are already in this and you have practiced yourself, probably more number of questions and random from different category will be good for all of you. So let me ask you basic question. I also have pen and paper with me. So those who answer, tell me immediately your roll number and then give me the answer, so that I will also mark here to check who is the person really. Let me ask you. I have got 3 balls, red, blue and green. 3 balls, red, blue and green. How many ways it can be arranged? Answer.
9.
Huh?
9, sir.
Sai, you always jump into conclusions very fast.
Sir, 6, sir.
Who said that? I told you you should tell your who is that person who said 6 in the first?
6, sir.
Your roll number?
I said first, sir.
Tejasvi.
Yes, sir.
Tejasvi's number you tell, no Tejasvi?
082.
82. Okay, good. That is the correct answer. Can you explain, Tejasvi, why is it so?
Sir, you said 3 different color balls.
Yeah.
And you said we have to arrange them in different ways in
Yeah.
3 sets. So it's like 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6.
Yeah, that is formula. I want people to get to that concept.
Oh.
How is that? Physically 3 balls are given. How do you place them?
There are 2 boxes, right?
I did not say box and all. I only said how to arrange them. Yeah, let Tejasvi explain it. Let Tejasvi explain. Yeah. Yeah.
So first, if we put the first ball, then we have take first ball. Then the
See,
other 2 balls.
I
can be
told
taken
you
in 2 ways.
I told you there is RGB, red, green and blue. They are called the primary colors.
Yeah.
You know that they are called the primary colors, right?
Yes, sir.
Tejas, you can come on to video if you are presentable. Okay, otherwise no problem. If it network is permitting you to come, because you can show, yeah, this is red, this is green, this is blue. It explains better. Or if you have on the paper written, you can write it and then show.
I'm actually sitting near sofa,
Yeah.
sir, so I think I cannot
Fine.
find
Fine.
a place to put my phone.
Fine, tell me. So you have 3 balls.
Yeah.
This
First,
is-
if you take red ball,
Yeah.
then the other 2 balls, like blue and green, can be taken in 2 different ways.
Okay. Fine.
So next time you take blue ball in first,
Yeah.
then you can place the other 2 balls in 2 different ways.
Okay.
The same with the blue. So
Okay.
2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6.
Yeah. Otherwise, it should be explained. Don't explain 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's why the concept becomes clear. In the first place, you can put 3 different variety: red, blue, green. And the next row, you can put 2 different ways. You understood?
Yes, sir.
In the first column, if you put red 2 times, you can put green, you can put 2 times, blue you can put 2 times. That means 3 different varieties you can put. Second column, you can put 2 different ways, and the last column you can put only 1 way. So this is 3 into 2 into 1. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you have n number of balls, you can always put n into n minus 1 into. I wish all of you write it down. When you write it down, it becomes very clear for you. I don't want to show it. Yeah. So always you have n number of items. How many ways to be put is the question. What is to be done is, Sai, can you mute? Lot of disturbance from back. Yeah. When you have n number of items to be put in all possible ways, that's a question. All possible ways. I did not say to take 2 and arrange. No. All possible ways. So 3 balls, all possible ways. So first place you can put 1, 2, 3. Any of them you can put in the first column. Second column, because you have already put 1, second column you can choose from other 2. So the first option is 3, second option becomes 2, the next option becomes 1. That means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. up to 1. That is n factorial. Clear? When you ask about general number of ways, so one of the technical term is number of ways. How many ways you can put? Now you put restrictions or maybe multiple role or multiple rule, multiple principle, multiple ways. Assume somebody is selling t-shirts and you have to collect 2 different colors or 2 different colors are available, maybe red and blue, but they are produced from 3 different companies, say XYZ company. How many ways of, you can write 2 t-shirts, 2 different colors and 3 different companies producing them. So how many variety? So color red with the X company, Y company, Z company. Color blue with the X, Y, Z company. And each of these produced companies are producing maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes. Everybody cannot wear same size, right? So 4 different sizes. So how many ways, variety? All these questions are same. How many varieties, how many ways of, how many varieties of t-shirts are available? Somebody. 2 colors, 3 company, 4 different sizes. Are you there? 2 colors, 3 companies, 4.
Sir, 24?
Who said that? Again, Tejasvi.
24, sir.
It's simple, right? Simple multiplication.
Yeah.
Simple multiplication. I guess everybody understood this.
4 into 3 into 2, no sir.
Yeah, 2 into 3 into 4 or 4 into 3 into 2. Whatever role you have. Because I am saying 2 colors, 3 companies, 4. So actually the number of ways of selection is only multiplication. When I talk about 3 different balls in how many ways is also multiplication only. So if you understand this concept, it becomes so simple, immediately you can answer. But for those people who don't understand this concept, very difficult. But mathematics is like that. Either you understand totally or you don't understand. That's why some people get a full mark and somebody gets 0 marks. It's not like in between is not there. Either right or wrong only. So those people who don't get what you should do, they should ask the other fellow. Why? How? Why? How? Why is it like this? How is it like this? Keep on asking. That's why I wanted that group to be very active. I want all of you to be good in this. Very basic. But these basic simple mathematics has lot of logic inside. Now let me ask you another question. I wanted to put lot of questions like you. I am not writing. I expect all these questions you can post in the group. So if you are writing this and posting in the group, that means or similar problems when you are writing, I am sure you are learning and then you are helping others also to learn. So that's what I want. Okay. Okay, assume that I have got 4 different colors are okay. CMYK. You know what is CMYK? Anybody? What is the color of CMYK?
Cyan, yellow, and
Who said that?
Vishweshwar.
Vishweshwar, what is your number, beta?
2, sir.
Oh, the second person who admitted in the. Good. So, Vishweshwar, tell me. Cyan, magenta,
Yellow.
yellow, and K?
K is the temperature.
No.
Kelvin.
No.
Black color, black.
Yeah, black color. Why Sai black is not used for B by B?
Sir, because it's a printing color.
B is used for blue, sir.
Yeah, B is already used for primary color. Therefore, black is
Blue.
represented by Sai. What is your number, Sai?
68, sir.
68. You know, Sai, when you use blue, RGB is the primary color.
Yes, sir.
You have to mute immediately. There are a lot of disturbance from your home. So when you use RGB, when you wanted to print on white print, you cannot print black. Possible, right? Black is possible, but RGB, no. RGB is a mix of 3 different colors, but you are posting it onto a negative. Black and white are negatives. So white is the full color, black is no color. Actually, black is dark, white is full color. So red, blue, green. If any one of you don't know what is this magenta, yellow, cyan, what you should do is go to other PowerPoint or Word file, give the color, and then just highlight that color. In the black background, you get a negative color of that. So cyan, magenta, yellow is the negative color for RGB. So if you mix 2 colors, you get the other color. Yellow is mix of which colors?
Green and blue.
Is it green and blue?
Yes, sir.
So when you put red, it will become yellow.
No, sir.
No, sir. It's mix of green and blue.
Sir, red, black, green.
Okay. See, the best method is to you go and check red, blue, green. My subject is image processing. So I talk about colors. I talk about numbers in that. Actually, these are all numbers. These are all fully mathematics. When you have 8-bit display, you use 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is what?
It's RGB.
What is the 2 power 8 number? What is 2 power 8? 2 power 8.
64?
No.
Sorry.
Sai, be careful.
256.
256. Yeah, 256. So that is why in your power color palette, when you look at it, you have 0 to 255. 0 to 255 is 256. That is 2 power 8. Because in your display, you can always use 0 to 255 only. So 3 different colors. Now this is also combination. I am giving you a direct application of permutations and combinations as a different example. So how many number of colors you can create? Red, blue, green mixed together. How many ways? 0 to 256 number of ways. Are you writing all this? You must write whatever I am saying. 0 to 255 colors can be assigned to red, blue, green. That is the intensity of red can be 0, blue can be 0, green can be 0. Then what will be the color?
Sir, green?
White.
No. Red 0, blue 0, green 0. Then what will be the color?
Red is from cyan, sir.
No.
Light fish red.
No red, no blue, no green.
That's
What?
right.
What is that color? Actually, red 0, blue 0, green 0 means what? Red, blue,
Black,
green,
sir.
black. So you see, you are able to learn now. Red 0, blue 0, green 0 is 0. That is black. All 0 is black. Okay, now red is 255, green 255, blue 255. What is that color?
White.
White. So in between black and white, you have different colors. Today, what you should do is you take a PowerPoint, draw a block, and then go to click there and go to the. You want me to show that, or you will do it? You do it. Doing by yourself is the best method to learn. Yeah. Then what you do is color change you give, and when you change the color, you go to the palette. Don't select any color. Go to custom. There is an option called custom. Yes. In that custom, you get RGB. Put number 000. You see, it will become black. Put 255, 255, 255. You will get white. So, how many number of ways you can change this? That many number of colors you have. So, how many colors are there in the world? You put RGB from 0 to 255. That is digitally available. But nature, it may be much more, because you don't have to exactly put numbers there, no? So it will be different. It depends on the wavelength 0.4 to 0.7, how many spectrum of lights which you have, how many colors combinations you can have, VIBGYOR, all that. All the colors are made with combinations of these. It's a beautiful concept to learn permutations and combinations, the applications of permutations and combinations, the mix of these. Okay, now let us take, you understood this? You must all experiment and then start writing your, probably you can pick up a small color and the palette color and then post it into the chat box. Let me see how many of you are active in learning practically all these what we are learning in mathematics and application straight away. Now you realize mathematics is totally used in computer science, graphics, creating any small job on the computer. Also you need a lot of this selection of numbers in different style, different pattern, very specific patterns. When you select, I can remember, assume that somebody has to remember some color. It's very hard to remember the color, but I'm sure if you know this color number is red, blue, green in this combination, I will be able to pick up. Say for example, I want pink. Immediately I will be able to say, you want light pink or dark pink. So definitely if I want light pink, I must be able to select 2020, probably 130 or 180. When you put RGB in that combination, you will get some color. So look at red has to be more R. So maybe I will put close to 200. Green and blue I will put close to 2020 or 3030. I will get a pink which is much deeper pink. So depend on the number which you put, you get different colors. I want all of you to experiment and write this and post it in our group. So people will, I'm sure all of you will start learning different combinations, and then tell me how many colors you can get. That's an assignment for you, right?
How many colors?
Yeah, how many total number of colors? RGB varying between 0 to 255. How many number of colors you can get? If you can answer now, it's good, but you need to compute it. No, it's not. 256 variation. Next one also you can vary 256. Another one also 256. You must be able to compute it. Yeah.
256 into 256 into 256.
Yeah. So you can imagine how large number of combinations we have. This is what is combinations. You cannot just imagine. It is beyond imagination sometimes. It's actually exaggeration. The numbers get exponentially higher. Combinations are too many. Okay. So let us take an example now. This is not permutations, and I will mix a lot of things for your brain to become active. Say for example, I've got 3 boxes. Listen, all these what we are discussing is very important, because I have some problem in my mind for giving you as a test. So these are all to equip you for answering the test. That's why I am taking class. If you must have understood how I am posting questions and how am I explaining that before the class, so that I will check, not you are a good student, I am sure you are a good student, how good I am explaining to you. If you are not performing well, only 30% is answering, that means I am not that good. If 100% is answering, I am sure that yeah, I explained it very well. That's it. So
Sir,
yeah,
it's like 1,67 lakh 7,216.
Akash, I said to take it as an assignment because I want you to listen here now. Good boy. Anyway, what's your number, Akash?
086.
086. Good boy. 86. I am marking. I have got a table here, marking all of your numbers. See how I am marking? It's also one method of attendance, or maybe internal marks. All that matters. Yes or no? Or maybe I should remember when tomorrow Akash speaks to me. Yeah, Akash was a good student. He answered. I do this every day. I am only showing you now because the other day I told you it's easy for me. I don't have to write all the numbers. I will make a column 1 to 10, 1 to 10 so that I know. And anybody who is exceeding 100, I will write bottom. So it's easy.
Because generally from different batches, people will be like 286 and 086 and all. People will be there. Many people, right? You have many students, right?
I know, yeah. My brain is not that bad, Akash.
No, generally, like you cannot differentiate, right? It's not so easy.
Beta, everything is getting recorded. I have got a recorder also here. Sound is also recorded. Your screen is also grabbed.
Great.
And also I have got a GoPro getting recorded here. You can see this.
Huh?
Are you seeing the camera here?
Yeah.
So I am multiple. I am good in this.
YouTube.
Yeah. My class is I am videographing. And then that will come onto YouTube some point of time. And only takes time for me to edit. A lot of things are to edit. So it takes some time. Otherwise every day I post my lectures from different places, different classes, different subjects. Maybe the concept which I am explaining is important. Sometimes some ideas will come, some problems will come, and I also have to check myself whether I am doing some mistake or not, right? So if I don't record, how do I know I am doing mistake? You are not anyway going to show me, yeah, you did a mistake. That may not happen.
Yes, sir. What's the name of the channel, sir?
Eh?
What's the name of the channel?
You just type in Dr. TPS and then search here. You know my telephone number. See, you are in a digital world. Digital world, you must be able to either type in my name or and if I know whether you have seen or not also, because I'm looking at how many of you have posted comments on that, so I know if somebody says yeah I have seen, no, I don't believe. If you have posted a comment, then I know. Okay.
Okay, sir. The name.
Yeah, be in the active in the group, because some people posted yeah I have seen your TEDx lecture, but I have not seen comment from them, right? Okay, forget about it. That's okay. Now 3 boxes. I have 3 boxes, and what I am doing is 4 different colors. 4 different colors. And items. In one box I have pen. Other box I have book. Other box I have pencil. So I have to choose pencils, pens and books are in 3 boxes. Each pen is different because it's all in different colors. What is the possibility of getting? You understood? 4 different colors. R, G, B and say K. Black. Pens are also 4 colors. Pencils are also 4 colors. Books are also 4 colors. 3 boxes I have. What is the possibility of getting when I am selecting 1 each? 1 pen, 1 book and 1 pencil. What is the possibility of getting same colored? Assume I am getting red color pen. I must get red color pencil and red color book. What is the probability of getting it? I am not asking ways of getting it. Look at the words which I am saying. You must write out the words. That is why the concept will become clear. I am not showing that on screen as a PPT because when you look at it, your thinking will not happen. You will not write also. The first questions we already discussed was all ways. Now I am asking what is the probability of getting same color?
1, sir. P of 1.
0.25.
Somebody.
0.25, 25%.
Can you give in fraction so that it becomes easier for people to understand?
1:4 or
1 by 4, sir. 1 by 4.
You are wrong. You are wrong.
1 by
1 by 3. How is it 1 by 3?
3 by 12. 1 by 4. 1 by 4.
Wrong.
1 by 2 is also 1 by 4 only.
Wrong. 1 by 3 is wrong. 1 by 4 is wrong. Don't repeat it now.
1 by 12. 1 by 12. 1 by 24.
That is also wrong. 1 by 12 is wrong. 1 by 24 is wrong. Let me see who is the brightest fellow. Undandu.
1 by 8, sir.
That is also wrong.
4 by 2.
1 by sir, I tried some different method and I got 2, sir.
That is totally wrong.
3 by 12.
Wrong.
Answer should be in fraction, not in decimal.
Yeah, that is correct. Akash knows the trick, but not enough.
4 by 12. It's actually quite tricky, sir. We need to take time for attendance.
No?
We are getting the answer, but we're not being close to it, right? We got the answer, but it's not close.
No, you are not at all close.
Okay.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, I have 3 different boxes. Yeah, somebody can repeat. Let me see.
3 boxes, 4 colors, and 3 items.
3 boxes, 4 different color of items, and each box contains what?
Book, pen,
Book, pen and pencil,
4 colors.
all in 4 colors. So what is the probability of getting 1 pen, 1 pencil, 1 book? Wrong.
Sir, so it is 3 boxes. Akash, can you wait? Like 3 boxes containing 4 pens, 4 books, and 4 pencils.
Yeah.
So that is
Okay, let me ask you one question. What is the probability of getting a red color from the first box?
sir 1 by 11.
No, let ask you the
1 by 7.
1 by
11, sir. 1 by
See,
11.
I have got the first box. I have got 4 pens of different colors. What is the probability of getting red from the first box?
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. What is the probability of getting a red book from the next box?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. 1 by 4. It is independent. 4 different boxes. Each one is independent. So 3 independent 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4.
3 by 4.
No, it's not
3 by
addition.
12.
No.
3 by 7.
3 by 12.
No, somebody said. Who is that? Who said 64?
1 by 12. Sir. 3 by 12.
1 by 64. It is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4.
I told sir first.
Who is that? Anurag, no?
No, sir. 1 and
Yes,
3.
sir.
Who said? Answer 1 by 64 is told by Anurag, right?
I also told
0 sir.
Who said?
1 not 3.
103. And then Anurag also said?
Yes.
What is your number, Anurag? I am asking.
07, sir.
Huh?
08.
No, not clear. Okay, I will write down the name. Okay. So all of you should think. That is why I want to not to give you some problem explanation, ask you the same problem next moment. Then your brain will not work. Okay, now let me ask you. You must write down this, otherwise you will not be able to. I am giving you some
1 by 64, right?
1 by 64. Yeah, 1 by 64. That's over. Now let us jump into the next question. Now assume I have got B, E, C, K, H, A, M. B, E, C, K, H, A, M. How many letters now?
8.
7.
7.
7.
7.
7.
7. Beckham. How many letters?
7.
7 letters. Say. These 7 letters, I want to make a 6-letter word. 6-letter word.
BCHAM.
No, wait. Condition. It always should start with a consonant. You know what is consonant, right?
Which is it a vowel?
Sir, can you please repeat the letters, sir?
Beckham. So how many consonants are there?
Okay.
5.
5.
Yeah. So it can start with any of these consonant. Any of these consonant. Now how many number of ways? How many different words?
5 by 7.
Don't jump into conclusions very fast. I am asking you how many number of words you can make. When such questions comes, immediately 6-letter word. So you must put 6 boxes or maybe 6 dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then write in the first how many ways I can post. Second, how many ways I can post. And then multiply all of them, then you get the number. That's how the ways are.
3600?
36.
Wrong.
3600.
Wrong. There is a condition that consonant should start with a consonant.
Okay.
So it's not just multiplication, some logic.
5. Oh, 5, 25, sir. 25.
Wrong. It should start with a consonant. That's the condition.
Start, yeah, sir.
But then the rest of the
20?
wrong. Then the rest of the dash can fill many number of ways. Okay, what you do is you have put 6 dashes, right? The first dash, how many ways you can put? 5.
5 ways.
5 ways. Second dash, how many ways you can post?
6 ways.
6 ways. Correct. And third?
6 ways.
No, 5 ways.
5 ways. 5, sir.
Then the next one 4. Then the next 3. Next 2. So the answer will become 5 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2.
Sir, I said 3600.
That is wrong. Your multiplication is wrong. You check.
$3,600.
Sir, 84.
It is 3600, sir.
Wait.
4920. 3600, sir. 3600. Sir, 4920. 3600, sir.
Is it true?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Tejaswini, you should not jump into conclusion because I want others also to give answer. That's why sometime I will tell you, yeah, wait. Wait when I say it doesn't say wrong. So the first time when you said 3600, I said wait.
Okay, sir.
Be very careful, okay? Don't redo. When I say wait, that means I don't want you to answer now. That's what it means. So you got the logic?
Yes, sir.
First 5, then already you should have that in mind and then start doing it. Good enough? So you know the formulas already we have explained. Combination is n factorial divided by that. They are all formulas which you can easily understand. But what is important is how do you know which belongs to combination, which belongs to permutation, for which you will have to do lot of thought process. And that thought process comes only when you have logic. That logic is what I was explaining to you, which I cannot teach you unless you practice yourself, picking up lot of such examples, looking at it, logically explaining, tell somebody else this is how it is. So the best method to learn mathematics is to teach somebody else. You understood? Okay, let me ask you whether you are okay. Can you compute and tell me? Let us do some exercise on computation. Whether you are wrong in that or you are able to understand that. 5p3. Formula you know, right? What is the formula? NCR is equal to, yeah, wait. NCR formula is, I know few of you are very good, but many people are silent. That is why I want them to understand, learn. Probably they have a fear that they don't know, they are not able to follow. So NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. These formulas, if you know, and you know how to convert the problem into formulas, that is mathematical communication. English text converting into mathematical problem is mathematical communication. If you know that, you can answer fast. Now tell me, what is 5p3?
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah, answer beta. 60. Okay. So, and another example which maybe I'll give you from, you can also take, 5c3. Let me give the same one. 5c3. To know the difference between P and C. 5c3.
60 only, sir.
8. How can be P and C same?
20.
One.
Sir, 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10, sir.
10, sir.
Yeah. You see, that shows you are not very thorough. That is why different answers are coming, right? It should not happen. How do you become perfect, correct in that? 10 is the answer. How do you do this? Do a lot of questions by yourself. Practice yourself. Okay? That will make you very good. Now there are 10 minutes only. Now I understood why your answers are going wrong. Either your computation is wrong or logic is wrong. So you need lot of practice. All of you need. Because I am seeing only 2-3 people answering it. I will keep on repeating the same thing until you become perfect. But if you want to be good, you must practice yourself. Otherwise, always you will get bad marks, 0 marks. I am not giving options, you can see. Yeah. Now 10 minutes for you to answer this. I gave the chat box, you can see the link. Get it. Able to access? Are you there? Able to access, right? Pick it up, answer.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yeah, good.